Hey guys, so today we decided we were gonna get somebody to install a car alarm, but the place that we were gonna do it, they said they didn't have an installer. They only sold the alarm. So we brought our car to this place and they said they would do it for $4,300 installed. They're still installing it right now. Oh, we just pulled in, so they were installing it. That's the name of the place. But now we car tint and accessories. And so they're in kilometer 4 here in Surigao City. If you guys want to check them out, if you're local, they got the car in right away. We didn't have to wait. It looks like we'll wait for them to finish, and then we'll be back. Looks like we have a couple of spectators checking out our car. In the back of that guy's shirt says, "Don't read this."
Yeah.
So we'll just wait for them to finish and we'll be right back. Hey guys, so we're still waiting to get it done, and so far that's what we have. Can you tell what we're putting in London? Can you tell what we're doing?
Yeah.
Hey guys, so we're still waiting to get the car alarm installed. Looks like it's having a hard time with the lock. The alarm's installed. We just need to get the lock to cooperate with the remote. So we're still working on that. And as soon as we get a result, we'll bring you back, show you the alarm and see how it works, and we'll see you then. Thanks for holding on. All right guys, so we got the door situation or lock situation fixed, and they're just putting it back together, and they're installing the alarm system, not the system but the alarm that makes a noise. Looking for a spot to put it, and then I believe we'll be done by then. All right, guys, so it took a little bit longer than expected, but they finally got the alarm installed. And I'm going to test it out right now. I mean, I tested it earlier, but I'm going to, just for the video's sake. So that is locked. Unlocked. Everything looks squared away. Just need a car wash. And we're back in business. We were supposed to pick up Medi, but we were delayed by the installation of the alarm. Yeah, but we got it installed and we're ready to rock and roll. We don't have to worry about that. And we don't have to worry about distance with the key remote. We weren't getting the distance. We had to stand right next to the car to get it open. So now we got the remote. Got this remote here, and we got two remotes. One for me and the other one for Teresa. And that's it. That's going to do it for this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. God bless. Take care.